but yes, the slot game is this guy right here.
I play video poker, so this is the prodigy right here. I'm just watching.
All right, right on, guys.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we're at the Cosmo. We're playing Happy Lantern. It's got a maxed out major jackpot of $1,000, and this is what we're starting out with. We got a $500 ball there, $100 on the mini, and let's let it rip, guys. See if we can get this maxed out major. I got one spin left to hit something. Oh, that's gonna do it. But it's still a decent hit, though. I mean, this one right here is $500. So let's see what we got.
Now, all the different machines have different meters.
Yeah. See that?
Yeah, right. No, I'm saying, but what's like? Is it $1,000 like the regular top major jackpot, or is it a different machine?
Not on all of them, but like these Lightning Leagues, the Dragon League.
Those ones have a higher.
Oh, we got a $725 winner, guys. Not too bad.
What did you say your channel was?
The Slot Ripper.
The Slot Ripper.
What's your name? You guys
subscribe.
Here, you want to be on the video?
I do. I'd love to.
What's your name, man?
Come on. Keith, this is Madison. We're both from Virginia Beach, man. We love gambling, and this guy knows how to make money.
All right, right on, man.
Live sports betting only, but yes, the slot game is this guy right here.
I play video poker, so this is the prodigy right here. I'm just watching.
All right, right on, guys.
This guy had like 20 seconds and he hit her.
All right, not bad. Guys, we're still on Happy Lantern chasing this maxed out major jackpot. Just did a rapid fire to get to the bonus. And we are going to let it rip. Let's see if we can hit it. $0.10 denomination. That major already. Come on. It's giving us a line. Give us a live, baby. Grand jackpot's at 12,000. 3 spots to fill to get to it. That mini is $100. Wasn't meant to be. Still not a bad little hit. Let's see what we got. $155, not bad. Let's keep seeing if we can get that major. A couple spins later, we're rapid firing. We dropped it down to a nickel. And we just got the free games. There you go with the yellow. 9 games with 100 head, that's pretty good. That's something good. Fill them up. Bad little hit. We're gonna let it go. We're gonna let it do its thing, guys. There's game number 2. It was only $19. Probably be a little bit more than that. We're gonna fast forward this one. Too bad. Wednesday night here at Cosmo. Machine's got very little sound though. Sorry about that, guys. Well, guys, we just got the free game bonus here on Happy Lantern, betting $12.50 a spin and 10-cent denomination. Again, the sound isn't that great, but some we're gonna go white. See what happens. I usually don't have any good luck with the white one, but 9 with 25. Well, 9 free games. I guess it's better than 6. Trigger. This guy got in the way here. $45 hit. $232 bonus. We're still chasing that maxed out major jackpot, guys. Doing pretty good. We came in the machine at about 500. We're at 1306. Hey, hit the hold spin feature. Still chasing that maxed out major jackpot. We got a 10-cent denomination, $5 a spin. We got the mini, which is 100 to start out with. So let it rip. Saw the liner go by. Come on, give me one. Well, it's a one and done, looks like. $155 bonus. Still kind of holding our own. See if we can get that major jackpot. Just got a back-to-back on the hold and spin feature. 10-cent denomination. Let's go. Got another mini for 100. All right, keep us alive. $10. Another 10. 4 spots to go. $2,500 ball just run by, or lantern. There's another 20. 3 spots to go. Come on, let's hit that major already. Last spin. Yep. See what we got this time. $45, not bad. This is at 1,500. Came to this machine with 500. Let's keep going. Let's see who's got the free game bonus. 5-cent denomination. Dropped down a little bit. Our high was 1,500. We're down about 1,300. Put 200 back in the machine, but we're still chasing this major jackpot, guys. Hopefully we're going to hit it. I was rapid firing at 5-cent denomination, $1.25 spin. Not yet. Not yet. And trying to see if we could maybe hit this thing. So let's see what we got here. We're gonna go back with the yellow. We never do well on that. Maybe I should have gone back to the white. That's the worst one. But maybe we'll still hit something. $30. Alright. Not the greatest, but not too bad. Alright. We'll come back if I hit anything else. A couple spins later, we bumped it up to 10 cents, and we just got the hold and spin feature. Still chasing that major jackpot $1,000. Let's let it rip. Keep me alive. Come on, man. Let's go, Major. Alright, keep us going. Keep us going. We got 5 spots left. Grand Jackpot. Ooh, that's a good one. 375. Grand Jackpot's at 12,000. 4 spots to go. Chasing that next up major. Come on, keep us alive. Last spin. Alright. Still alive. Still alive. That's gonna do it. Let's see what happens. $120. That gets us back to 1447. We're in for 500. All right. Come back. We hit a free spin bonus. Happy Lambert still chasing that major jackpot. That ain't a little bit back. We started with 500. We were up to 1,500. We're now at 1142. See if we can recover here a little bit. I'm gonna go back with yellow again. 6 with 200 at it. Wow, that's pretty good. $0.10 denomination, and I got $2.50 a spin. We're rapid firing. See if we can just line something up with those wilds now. Not looking good. It looks like it's going to be a $45 bonus for 200 wild. We're going to surrender that major jackpot. We're going to leave. Started with 500. We're cashing out for 1101. So we'll take the $600 profit and move on to another game.